Hey there! Today we're going to learn about accessing structure members in C. So let's get started. Let me open up this editor, and as you can see here, I have this file created a while ago. I name it ex65 underscore accessing structure members.c, and I have also added the statements ahead of time. So I'm going to use this later on. So accessing structure members. You can access the members of a struct variable by using the dot operator between the variable name and the member name. So for example, to assign a value to the age member in this example on line 11, to assign a value to the age member of the s1 struct variable, we need to use a statement like this. So s1 dot age and then the value that we want to assign. So to better understand this, I can give you an example. Let me go ahead and delete this first, and this is already correct. Let's just move on to the main. Let's go to main, and let me type this in real quick. So in this example, I assign one structure to another of the same type. So as you can see here, let's just go ahead and run this real quick. So right click, compile and run. And as you can see, assigning S2 to S1. Assigning S1, the result is name Miguel, age 19, grade 8. So take a look at this structure in here. So you can also assign one structure to another of the same type, since they have the same type. So the S1, I assigned S1 to the S2 variable structure, and I have displayed it using the printf function on this line, on line 17, and the result is the same. So let's move on to the next example. Let me go ahead and delete this. I'm not going to up until here, and also these lines. So this time we're going to call our structure a course. And then we have the members. So take a look at this examples in here. So the following code demonstrates using a structure. So let's go ahead and compile and run this. So right click, compile and run, and I'm getting an error on the line strcpy. Let me double check. Okay, it should be cpy for copy. So let's go ahead, make sure to check your code. And as you can see, intro to C++ and the advanced C++, then the hours in here, which is correct. So string assignment requires this line. It requires the strcpy or string copy from the string library. So if you noticed earlier, I'm getting an error, a warning error. Let me go ahead and run this one more time. As you can see in here, there's a warning. So this is something like an error. Since I'm using this strcpy, it needs to have the string library. So all I need to do to avoid getting that error or that warning is to add the string library in here at the top, and then run it again. So compile and run, and as you can see, the error message here, or the warning message here, is gone. So that's how you get rid of the warning message that you are seeing when you try to run this program. So make sure to include the header, the string library at the top, since you're using the strcpy or string copy function. It needs to have the string library at the top. And also note that the format specifiers 4.2 on this line, 19 and 20, as you can see, I have used this type of specifier. This includes the width and the precision options, so that's why you're seeing just 2 decimal places on this line. So that's it for this video, and before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have here a little exercise for you on this tab, and I want you to fill in the blanks to increase the age of the h1 variable by 2. So as you can see, there's a missing piece of code that needs to be filled in this program. So if you already know the answer, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you.